Hi guys, today I'll show you a private cheat that has a bunch of games. You can download this cheat using the description link. By the way, I'm giving you a special code that gives you a 3-day trial period. It will be archived as well as its password. Unzipping the archive, launch the EasyWay loader and enter a special login code there. In our loader, you will find a cheat for any popular game. After you have selected the cheat, select the config, if any, and click the inject button. As soon as the download reaches the end, you can log into the game and enjoy the game with EasyWay.